Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change lock screen time from glass to solid on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to change this particular lock screen time from glass look as it is to something solid, then this is what you need to do. First, go ahead and unlock your phone. Swipe down from the top left. Press and hold the home screen. Press and hold the screen. Click on Customize. Now select Time. Come down till you see Glass and select Solid. Then come here and change your time to Solid instead of Glass. So this is Glass and this is the Solid version. You see that? So change it to Solid, and once you're good, click outside. Then click on the done button at top right and then select it. Now when next your phone screen is locked, then you should see the time change from glass to solid, and then you are good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.